Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm making one of my favorite appetizers, that is chicken croquettes. These chicken croquettes taste amazing. The best part is it's crispy from the outside and soft and juicy from the inside. This is a very good, it's an excellent party starter. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in a pan I'll be heating around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright, so once the oil is heated, I'll be adding in 1-inch cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Alright, followed by 1 medium size finely chopped onion. And 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped. So I've put the flame low now because the oil was very hot and we don't want to make the onion very brown, okay, just the lightish brown. Okay, here I'll also be adding in 1-inch ginger, finely chopped. So here I'll be adding in half teaspoon of turmeric powder and garam masala powder, around half teaspoon. Here goes in finely chopped green chili. So it's 1 green chili finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Alright, and now I'll be adding in the chicken. So I have taken around 300 grams of chicken. I've cut them into cubes and now I will add this into the pan. On this I'll be adding in around half teaspoon of salt. I'll just give it a mix. Okay, now we'll let this cook for a while till the chicken gets tender. Okay, now here instead of adding in the red vinegar, you can also add in tomato ketchup. Okay, if you're using the tomato ketchup, you can use around 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So I don't have chicken stock, so I'll be adding in this Maggi cube. Okay, just to give that flavor. Alright, and regarding the spices, just make sure that you just check the spices. If you want it more spicy, you can add red chili flakes as well. It will give you that nice extra color. Okay, I'll just cover this with the lid. I'll let it cook for a while. Okay, so it's been 4 to 5 minutes. I've just let this cook with the lid on. Okay, now I'll be adding in fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. And these are with the stems. Okay, just give it a mix now. Okay, as you can see, there is no water left here. Just make sure that if you have any excess water, you can just keep the lid open and let it cook on low flame. Okay, that's it. The chicken looks cooked. Now I'll put the flame off and I will let it cool down. So I have boiled 1 medium sized potato and I have drained all the water, the excess water, just kept it in a refrigerator to cool down, and we will smash it. If you want, you can also grate this. Okay, that's it. Okay, so once the chicken is cooled down, okay, in the pan, we will add this into the mixer grinder. Okay, now we'll grind this into a smooth paste. Alright, so after grinding it, this is what you will get, smooth paste. We will transfer this into the potato. Okay, just mix this well. Alright, and here I'll also be adding in butter and some mozzarella cheese. I'll just keep this in the refrigerator for a while so that this stiffens properly. Okay, so I'll take some breadcrumbs, 1 egg, just adding little bit of salt, just whisk it. Okay, so it's been 4 to 5 minutes now. I'd kept this batter in the refrigerator. Now if you can see, it's already stiffened. Okay, so now we will start coating it. First I'll just dip it into the egg. Okay, then I will coat it with the breadcrumbs. So our croquettes are ready to be fried. Okay, so in a pot I've heated oil. Okay, and now we'll start dropping this. Now for deep frying, make sure that the oil is not very hot, or else the croquettes might get brown faster and you'll end up burning it. As soon as you see the croquettes getting brown, you can start removing it. Now if you want, you can fry the entire batter, or you can fry few and keep some for later. It's up to you. Alright guys, our chicken croquettes are ready. Look at these. These look amazing and they're smelling amazing as well. And if you can hear the sound, they are so crispy from the outer side and it's juicy and soft from the inside. It looks hard, but it's very simple to make. Okay, make it at home. Share this video with your friends and family and let me know how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. It's amazing.